And the next topic is director circle. Director circle. What is mean by director circle here? The definition of director circle. The definition of director circle is the locus of intersection of perpendicular tangents drawn to the circle is known as director circle. Here the locus of joining of intersection of perpendicular tangents drawn to the circle is known as director circle. This is the definition of director circle, and in next part let's see the diagrammatical representation of director circle here. First of all, I am taking one circle here. This is one circle having center is C and having some radius that is equal to R, having some radius is equal to R, and the perpendicular tangents drawn to the circle. For example, I am taking tangent. This is the perpendicular intersection of tangents, and one more I am taking one more tangent here, and for this one I am taking one more perpendicular. Perpendicular tangent here. This is also perpendicular tangent, and I am drawing several perpendicular tangents here. This is one more tangent, and for this one I am drawing one more perpendicular. This is also perpendicular. In that way, similarly, I am taking, I am taking one more perpendicular here, and I am taking here similarly I am taking one more perpendicular here, one more tangent. This is tangent, and for this tangent I am taking one more perpendicular tangent here. This is perpendicular tangent. The intersection of tangents here, this is 1 2 3 4 5, like this, will get several point of intersections here. From this point of intersection, this is I am considering 1 2 3 4 5, like this will get several points of intersections here. If the locus of joining of these two point of intersections, the locus of joining of these all 5 here, sorry, all 5 point of intersection is called, this is a director circle. This is nothing but director circle here, and the locus of joining of perpendicular tangents drawn to a circle is called director circle here. This is the definition of director circle. And the tangent line, generally the line equation of line is equation of line equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c, and here we don't have any c intercept here. I am taken in this slope form, y is equal to mx plus c into r into 1 plus m square. So I am taking this mx to left hand side, y is equal y minus mx r into 1 plus m square, squaring on both sides. So then it will become y minus mx whole square, that is equal to r into 1 plus m square whole square. Then it will be expanded like a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So according to that I am expanding this one, y square plus m square x square minus 2mxy is equal to r square, square and root get cancelled, that is 1 plus m square here. Now let's multiply the terms here, y square m square x square minus 2mxy less, here I am multiplying, at the same time I am bringing left hand side, r square minus m square, that is equal to 0 here, and r square m square here. Now I am writing this expression in quadratic form. So m square x square minus m square r square minus 2mxy and plus y square minus r square, that is equal 0. I am taking m square as common, x square minus r square and is equal into m square minus 2xy into m plus y square minus r square is equal 0. It is in the form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal 0, and where a is equal to x square minus r square and b is equal to minus 2xy and c is equal to y square minus r square. This is all about the values of a, b, c here, and in this concept slope are, for slope m1 into m2, if the slopes are perpendicular then minus 1 is the answer, and according to the quadratic form m1 plus m2 is equal, here according to the m1 plus m2 is equal c by a, product of the root, sorry, m1 into m2 perpendicular means m1 m2 is equal to c by a. So m1 m2 is equal to c is nothing but here y square minus r square by x square minus r square, c by a. I am substituting c and a, and here we have m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. I am substituting this here, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2 I am considering. So y square minus r square by x square minus r square, then y square minus r square, that is equal to minus of x square minus r square. If you multiply minus here, minus x square minus into minus become plus x square. Let's bring this x square to left hand side, x square plus y square, and send this r square to right hand side, r square plus r square, that is equal x square plus y square is equal to 2r square. This is the equation of, therefore the equation of director circle is x square plus y square is equal to 2r square when the equation is passing through origin. And for example, then the director of circle, if the equation of then the circle is having any center, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square, that is equal to 2r square. This is the equation of a circle having any different center. And once again I am repeating here, what is director circle? Director circle is nothing but the locus of joining of point of intersection of a perpendicular tangents drawn to a circle. Here this is a concept. Here I am taking perpendicular tangents for that point of intersection. I am joining the points here. Let's circle is formed here. This is nothing but director circle here. Director circle. So the equation of a tangent, like I am taking here all are tangents. the equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c. In slope form, r in place of c, r into 1 plus m square. Let's take mx left hand side and squaring on both sides and by solving this expression, we'll get quadratic equation. From that quadratic equation, slope of two lines, tangent lines is equal to m1 m2 according to the quadratic form. According to quadratic form it is, and according to line form. This is line form, this is the quadratic form. m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, m1 m2 is equal to c by a. Let's substitute the c and a values in this expression, then we'll get the values of m1 m2 here. So finally we will get the expression, that is x square plus y square is equal to 2r square. This is the equation of a directed circle, and the equation is having any other point x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to 2r square. This is all about the session about directed circle. In next session we will discuss about some extra points on directed circle. Thank you.